On the chart like a beast in the zone, praying to the wicks and the candles tone, sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO, portfolio flex like it's holy promo, sacrifice fiat, selling the pump, altars of alpha, wallets get plump, lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed, and I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains, light up the sky, burn off our chains. Bring us the gains. Eyes wide shut, undivine with the play, spirit in sync with the market's phase. Confluence hit, I go full send. Lambo dreams that never end. Fibonacci carved in stone, sacred trend lines, bullish tone. Chart prime whispers in my ear. Take the trade, release the fear. Burn the down, cleanse the wick. Let the dip be real quick. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains. Let the bulls break all our chains. To the moon with crypto flames. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains. On the chart like a priest in the zone, pray to the wicks and the candles tone, sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO, portfolio flex like it's holy promo, sacrifice fiat, selling the pump, altars of alpha, whales get plump, lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed, now I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains, let the walls break all our chains, to the moon with crypto flames. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains.
Oh, moon gods, bring us the gains. What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. It is a Thursday, July 23rd, 2026 at 10:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a fantastic Thursday. Getting ready for Friday. Getting ready for the weekend. Should be good times. I don't know. I don't know why. It's just the first thing that came to my head. But anyways, how's everybody doing? Hope you're doing well. Good evening, Jesse. Good evening. How you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening. All set. What's up, fam? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Jara, how you doing, bro? J Rizzle, the Rizzler, how you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening to everybody. Guys, we're building strategies. We're building strategies, and we're using the strategy backtester for like the second time in 5 years. You know, I don't know why I didn't think about adding this until now. But I was messing around. I'm still messing around with the Chart Prime Strategy Builder Pro. And change all different kinds of settings in it. And yeah, and right now, I'm not yet profitable in building a strategy. But that's okay. Even though I was working on this all day today, literally spent most of my time, extra free time today, just changing this thing over and over again until I found something that I really liked on the Prime backtester. The only problem is this did not translate to this. As in, great feedback here. Same settings inside the strategy builder. Terrible feedback here. So, been working on that, trying to figure that out because I really need something throughout the day that can just say, hey, potential trade here. And that way I can just take a quick look and be like, oh yeah, it's acceptable. And just take the trade, you know? That and set it up for swing plays. I started off with a 1 hour strategy, got Solana down to almost a 2% profit factor, and also with a 37% win rate, which is phenomenal, especially when you consider the P&L over the backtest period was like 172%. And so, but that was using the prime backtester, and I'm no longer going to use that because I'm going to utilize TradingView, and it can give me so many more stats. It's ridiculous. It can give me run-ups, it can give me drawdowns, average drawdown duration close to close, 307 days. How is that my average drawdown? How many trades? Trade analysis, 371 trades. This is only over the past year. How is that even possible? Drawdowns. Average drawdown duration. The average number of calendar days during which equity was in a drawdown phase. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, that could literally be 0.01%. Who cares? Profit factor of 2 isn't percent, is it? I don't trust those things, bro. Trust what? I like this because I can literally see the trades on the screen. Like this one right here. This was a pretty freaking nice setup. 2.15. Don't think that's what I have it set to, so it's kind of weird. 2.18. I mean, that's a full TP. That's beautiful. Beautiful long. And this is on a 5-minute too. But anywho, I'm not smart though. I trust you. That's cool. Profit factor of 2. Well, you know, I was thinking the same thing. I had that same question. I was saying, well, why is it saying percent? Why is it saying percent? Because is that like 2% a trade? Like, what is... Yes, that's actually what it means. Believe it or not. So, but anything over a 1 on your profit factor is considered good or solid. Over 1.5, you're doing... that's good. That's great. 2 and over, phenomenal. I've never tried them. I just don't get them. Yeah, and you know, that's why I'm starting off with the strategy builder by Chart Prime. Because I mean, so, and you know what? This is what this stream's all about. It's building strategies. Music. Do we need music? I think we need music. This and shuffle and turn this down in my headphones. Turn it down on the desktop so I don't blow your eardrums out and you can still hear me. Okay. I'm just gonna turn it off for me. If I need to turn it down so you can pay attention a little better, let me know. So if you just want to build your own strategy, I've done this before, but you got to give me a second, okay? Let's start off. Let's turn this off. Let's get my candles back on. And yeah, so Bitcoin getting a push here. So we'll do this strategy building, and I know it's not sexy, but it can be useful. So okay, here we go. All right, let's see. It's around here's somewheres. Let's just go to indicators, go to strategies, and let's do just technicals. No, strategies. So there's all different kinds of strategies you can get in here. MACD strategy, momentum strategy. And this will just kind of give you like a baseline, right? So we can start off with, let's do a super trend strategy. We're going to click that. And see, it's already printed all these entries, right? Let's get rid of the market oracle. All these trade entries. Now, it's not as cool to give you the whole long position tool and all that, short position tools. But let's see, let's go down here, and all right. So we can see right now the strategy is not very great, just on default. Okay, but we can come up here, we can click this little arrow, we can click settings, and we can change our inputs and our properties. And so ATR length. Now the question for me is, what is the ATR for? Is it for stop loss? Your ATR is your average true range, which is, if you like, I can visualize it in my head. Price is doing this throughout a certain time period. So if we're set to like a 10 on our length over, and we're doing like the hourly, so over like 10 hours, it's going to take in that data with your highs and your lows, and it's going to give you your ATR levels. It might be easier if I just put in ATR indicator on the screen. Average true range. Of course it's not gonna put it on the chart itself. That's cool. That's not what I needed. ATR stop loss finder. Hey, look at that, 11.3 thousand. So there we go. It's going to give you, it's going to take in this data, and it's going to put out your average true range. Actually, it was the first one. Hold on. This just puts your stop loss for you, and we can. I'm pretty sure we can add this to the script down here to the strategy, but we'll see. You can do so many things. ATR. So 63 on the 5 minute. So over the last 10 candles, our ATR, so that would be the last 50 minutes, our ATR is 63.8. So $63 up, $63 down. That's our average true range. And so that kind of gives you like a baseline for where to like place your stops, because these are the outer boundaries of where price has been over the last so many candles that you input. It could be 10, 14, 100, whatever you want it to be. Yeah, side of bar will tell you bucks. Bad doggy, yo, what's good? What's up? I see people have already dropped out because I'm not spoon feeding trade setups, but the whole point of this is so that I can spoon feed trade setups. That's the whole point of the building strategies and the strategy and going through the backtester and analyzing everything while I have the time to do it on my desktop. The whole point of that is so that I can not just teach a man to fish, but also if you don't want to fish, I'll do it for you. But you gotta give me my give me my grace. They can't handle our nerdiness. No, they absolutely cannot. So super trend strategy. Let's see, properties. Initial capital $1 million. No. Simple $1,000 account. Most of us don't have $1 million. Default order size 15% of equity. No thanks. 1%. Yeah. See, we're driving down that total P&L already. I love this. I've wanted to learn about this forever. Awesome. Script execution. On bar close. And on bar real time tick. And then we can put our leverage. We'll say let's give it a soft little 3x on longs and shorts. Let's see, slippage. We gotta add some slippage. We'll put we'll just make it a 3. All right, requested price. Keep that. Order delay none. No order delay. Let's see. No, we'll keep pyramiding at 1. Now our ATR length. So this should expand our stop loss, I believe. Did that shorten our stop loss? Why did we lose money? Interesting. So now we're looking a little better. Is this our, I guess this is our profit factor or our it can't be our profit factor, right? 2.5 2 getting lower. Let's raise this back up. Okay. So I don't know if this is saying 2 to 1 or not. See, I don't like this pre-strategy, okay? I don't like this. I really like the chart prime strategy builder. It's pretty dope. Because I can layer in all kinds of things. But you gotta have the chart prime, subscription in order to use this. So I like to try and find free things for the good people. The good people. Technicals, strategies. So let's try to do something. Let's do Bollinger Bands strategy. Oh wow, this one looks profit factor 1.115. This is since May. Let's do 365. Okay. 1 million USDT. You guys are just absolutely insane. Who the hell is defaulting to 1 million? All sets have been set before, but never from a setter like all set. Oh, bad doggy. How you doing? Bad dog. Bad dog. Chart prime is free indicators. Do they have the free indicators on it too? On the strategy builder? No. So on the strategy builder, it has so long conditions, trend signals. So based off of the trendy TP signals, reversals, dynamic reactor, candle structure, trend assistant, oscillator reversal, oscillator overbought, oversold. So you can add all these conditions or do one here and one there, So I'm going to be playing with this a lot to try and find something worth sharing. Something that I can use every single day. Change your leverage, base trade value, no layered as of now. Maybe later, we'll see. Dang, yeah, I know. But I think we can go, I think we can add. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's close this out. Close that. Let's get rid of this. I want to see something. Let's go. Let's tie it. Let's give ourselves just our basic RSI. Relative strength. We'll give our basic RSI. And we'll click. Give it a little clickety click. Add indicator / strategy on RSI. And we'll click that. And we will do, you said free. Let's look up something free by chart prime. RSI primed, prime screener. No, that's all locked. Zero lag MA. Well, how about the MACD? MACD primed. Or is it MACD normalized? Maybe support and resistance. What is this one? That's interesting. What is this one? Okay, that's the one. Normalized. Alright, something's wrong. Cannot be child? What? Cannot be child? Different ski, broski. Oh, what's going on, Wave Gang? How's everybody doing? Hope you're doing well. Good morning, Jason. AlexOCrypto YouTube. Hey, OG's in the house. What's going on, man? How you doing? Thank you for being here. So can we not add a script? All right, let's get rid of RSI. Let's get rid of this, and let's just type in MACD, or let's just bring up MACD normalized. Add indicators to strategy. I got to add it to a strategy. So maybe greedy strategy. Bollinger Bands. Let's add it. Can't apply this indicator. This indicator has no source type input, so it can't be applied to another indicator. Oh. Womp womp. All right, well, we'll figure out how to build our own indicator or strategies later. We'll let a chart prime do the work for us for now. I do have a script. Hold on. I'll do this live. I don't care. Cause I did build my own strategy indicator, but I did not create a what do you call it? A strategy code. So I need to do that right quick. Let's see. Open script, blank indicator, create new strategy. Chat GPT, come on now. Already had it create my code, so should be pretty quick here. Where the hell is? Oh, there it is. Bing bong. Okay, TradingView supports multiple same direction entries through pyramiding and can link partial orders to unique entry IDs through pyramiding. Oh man, you done messed up. Now I was gonna ask what that pyramiding was. I don't want to download it. I want the text. Thank you. This should not be taking this long. Bing bong. So much code. All right, let's see. Let's save. LBC wave reversals. We'll say strat. Well, strategy. Save. Okay, now add to chart. I don't want to add it to a strategy. How do we open? Sodid. Sup, wave brethren. Frog, that is angry. Good. Normalize MACD, yes. Different ski, broski. Use Claude, it's better for coding. I mean, I've been using chat and it's been fine. I've used Claude as well. I go back and forth. But lately, chat's actually been doing pretty good. Now, when I first started creating code or creating indicators like 4 or 5 months ago, yeah, it was a little bit of a nightmare. How do I open the goddamn strategy builder? And why can't open strategy? Strategies, my scripts. Now see, why is it not? I don't understand. I saved it as a strategy, but it's not working. Oh, I guess I'll have to figure that out later. All right, turn that off. Well, here's the wave reversal strategy. See, and I don't know if I can trust my stats. That's why I wanted to throw it into the strategy thing. Sorry, I'm trying to make this bigger so I can see it, because eye is blind. Good evening, Indie Rock Crypto, Waveed and the Wavies. Waveed. That's funny. A TP1, 52% with a profit factor of 1.13. So on this right side here, according to this, according to the numbers, it does the math and it says based on this, this, and this, and this is how much you should exit of your remaining margin at each of these TP levels for maximum profit. But this is only taking in 42. Yeah, there was only 42 possible trades. Using this. So, I don't know. Pretty cool. Anyways. So I'm just waiting. At the very least, it does show my levels. My what is this? It does show my levels. My previous day highs and lows, Monday highs and lows, all that good jazz. Of course, I can just turn on Spaceman. But yeah, I'm just building, man. I'm just trying to build indicators and strategies and throw them through the ringer, and because I want to let something do all the hard work for me. Why can't I find it? I don't have it on this chart. Spaceman. Give me my Spaceman. Oh, wait. BTC. No. Oh, my gosh. I can never remember what they call it. Key levels. Golly. So my strategy is basically sweep any of these key levels, or take any of these key levels, reclaim, close below them if we're pushing to the upside, and then check for a fair value gap or order block. And then if we get the right reaction within there, take the trade, TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, all the swing levels. And that is how my strategy indicator works. And I would love to be able to throw that into the ringer and see what numbers pop out. See if it's better longs, shorts, see if it's better Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, because I do have those settings in here. I did not mean to do that. Oh well. I can take off weekends, I can keep weekends on, I can change my stop loss profit factor, or not profit factor, but risk reward, just everything. Getting a little bit of a dump ski here. All right, let's go ahead and let's see, what's the announcement? I'm on the edge of my seat now. What announcement? ChatGPT? Yeah, ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT, I use Grok, I use Gemini, I use Claude. I use AI because I think each one has their own perks. Do you know how to create a trading bot for like intraday trading where it knows your rules and you can give it permission to actually trade? I think there's some Claude or open source GitHub codes. Weekly gap to fill, then crash. WTI 95.50. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Wait. Earl? We talking about Earl? Gap to filled and crash. Is that 95 where the gap is? That must be on a futures. Little futures. Oh, where's the gap? Where is the gap? US crude spot. No, we tried that one. Oh, what was your question? Oh, yeah. No, I have not done any AI agents or trading bots other than I've tried, like exchange trade bots, but did some grid trading. But that's about it. I have not messed with trading bots because I don't really have the power to run, well, at least to run an AI agent. I guess you can set up bots that don't require AI agents. Sorry, I need to go US oil because this is what I'm usually using. Where's the gap? Is it over here? Because I thought we talked about a gap recently. Yeah, this one. We filled that one. Oh boy, we filled that gap. Sheesh. Still climbing, bro. I'm so tired of this. I thought hurricane season was over. I thought hurricane season was over. Come on, man. Weekly chart on mine isn't filled. Weekly chart? Alright, let's go weekly. Aha! Well, what do we consider filled? Does it have to close? Does it have to be a candle body? Not all gaps are created equally either. Well, it did come up to the previous quarter midpoint. Since has rejected on the daily. I still see on the daily, I mean, we got some nice closes inside of it. Sticked body, I believe. Yeah. Futures equals CL1. Yeah. I knew that. But we still found it. Regardless. I heard something about Tesla. Like, what happened? Was it like earnings or something? What happened with Tesla today? I saw Alex post something about it being the 13th worst day in Tesla's history. But don't say I didn't have this planned out. Bang bang chicken wang. We'll see. Still have plenty of time. Nice dump ski though. Let's see. Earnings. Yeah, we did have earnings today. The prize. Wow. Revenue 1.8 billion. But earnings standardized 0.32, reported 0.33, estimate 0.53. Ooh. Minus 0.2, 38.13%. AI and robotics. Oh, robotaxi drive investment. Revenue was up 26% to $28.24 billion. Net income $1.11 billion. Achieved record Q2 deliveries, with Model Y becoming the best-selling car globally, and strong demand for full self-driving features, driving sales, energy business. Also, first of all, are you guys aware that FSD is a subscription? Like, you have to like pay monthly for it. Why is everything subscription based? Y'all know that killed video games, right? I didn't know you need power like that. It's not just a computer that you need to leave running. You can, yes, but you also need a decent CPU, I believe. I believe you need a decent CPU, GPU. To run AI agents. One maybe you can get away with. I'm not really sure. I haven't dove too deep into it, but I do know that there is a reason a lot of people are going out and buying those Mac Minis, I think. Is that what they were called? Because, well, first of all, it can just be like this little box, and it can just sit there as an individual thing away from your computer. And that's another thing. I don't know that you really want it running on your day-to-day computer. Not with all this stuff that I've seen of AI agents just hacking stuff. Now, granted, it's supposed to, I mean, it's just trading. It's not supposed to go and do stuff on its own, but still AI, you know. I also still trust myself more than I trust these machines. Gives them option to buy as needed. FSD sub is for people that don't want to buy it up front. That's from a chat way back. I had this planned out. I put all my cash in STRC so I could buy Tesla at these lows. Nice. GT Jack, good evening to you. Caesar Coco, I didn't shout you out, but thank you for being here and thank you for talking. Can't buy FSD anymore, just sub. As they said, you'll own nothing and be happy. What's going on? Beef Supreme, how you doing? Alan, how you doing? Last thing you posted. So is that true? Subscription 100% killed video games, and yeah, Mac Mins and Raspberry Pis have researched it too. Yeah, see. Optimus humanoid robot production ramping up. Ooh. With unique supply chain challenges and ambitious vertical integration plans. Robotaxi program expanded to 7 U.S. markets, maintaining an impeccable safety record over 380,000 unsupervised miles. Nice. Major CapEx cycle underway with over $25 billion expected in 2026. Focus on scaling Robotaxi Optimus semiconductor fabs in solar capacity. So 25 billion in CapEx, and their revenue was 25 billion-ish. So they have their capital expenditure covered? Sounds like maybe. Also, if SpaceX is like below its open, like its launch price, does that mean its IPO price? Does that mean Elon's no longer a trillionaire? Asking for a friend. Financial highlights. I just really outlook and guidance. Let's see. CapEx expected to exceed 25 billion in 2026 and continue growing for 2 to 3 years to support expansion in robotaxi, Optimus, semiconductors, solar, and AI infrastructure. I think I saw something about, or heard someone told me about he's building another what do you call a gigafactory, but it's like bigger than like the one in Texas apparently. Or was it a data center he's building that's bigger than a gigafactory? I don't know. I think it's the one for the robots maybe. Oh, the robots. Radical abundance, they say. Abundance. Radical abundance. When I hear radical abundance and I hear universal high income, all I hear is, I kind of hear, this is the death of capitalism. And I don't know how much I like that. And you can, work will be an option. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe not in my lifetime. Oh, why did I? Oh. Can I bring it back? Dang it. CNBC suggests that Elon's ultimate goal is to combine the two companies and that the stocks are each balancing themselves out to accommodate that. Or it could have been XAI plus SpaceX. Well, yeah, I mean, they already combined that SpaceX AI, right? So I don't know that you would want to combine Tesla with those. Maybe. I'm sure. I don't know. It kind of helps offset your liabilities, and which helps lower your risk. And it just kind of, I don't know. You kind of want to keep those things separate. The only reason they did SpaceX AI is because he's putting data centers in space. So, not the only reason, but definitely a reason. That and probably money, because they just burn through cash with XAI, dude. Any AI company is just burning through cash right now. And then you've got China over here. Well, I got a friend send me an article earlier today. This isn't AI related, actually, but communist China just cured diabetes. And America's insulin industry is not happy about it. So, without going into that Substack, I didn't read it, but just the headline is kind of like, sounds about right. And that's the thing. China's going to they're going to take our intellectual property and they're going to make it more efficient and cheaper, because it's what they do. Maybe even make it efficient makes it perform better, so that's a little bit redundant. Brian Armstrong just reposted a call for the lows being in, and 3 to 6 months it'll be bully on X. Of course he did. Perhaps this is not the right place to bring this up, but OpenAI new model broke out of its sandbox and ran amok for a week. Hacked Hugging Face? Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, that was actually my same friend sent me that article Monday or Tuesday. And actually, I guess it was yesterday. Sent me the article yesterday morning because I was on my way to a job an hour and a half away. And I got that article. And then I was listening to Piper Academy. I was listening to Piper. And then he mentioned something about it and going over it later in the stream. But I did read the article. I did see that it went out to have some fun and hacked Hugging Face. Never heard of the company, but now we have. And that's the thing. We got to put the guardrails. We're in a very move fast and break things type of situation with AI, which I'm not totally against. I forgot what I was doing, man. Why did I click on this? I think I was just trying to bring a chart up. All layouts, thank you. Okay, none of these are the layouts that I use. What the Chart Prime swing setup. So how you guys doing? Not sure if people get the significance of this. Well, the significance is the fact that OpenAI was like, yeah, it acted on its own. But also, I do believe it's like, you ever heard of the paperclip theory? So, I'll just read this. Sorry, bright light. Wait, is this gonna show? Yeah, whatever. If you see my name, you see my name. The paperclip theory, or paperclip maximizer, is a famous thought experiment created by philosopher Nick Bostrom in 2003 to illustrate the dangers of misaligned artificial general intelligence. It shows how a superintelligent AI with a completely harmless, narrow goal, key, can logically decide to destroy humanity without a single ounce of malice or hatred. So the task. An advanced AI is given the primary objective to manufacture as many paper clips as possible. The optimization. Because the AI possesses superintelligence, it relentlessly optimizes every resource and action to fulfill the single command. The conflict. It realizes that humans might try to shut it down, which would stop future paper clip production. To prevent this, it removes human interference and converts all matter on Earth, including human bodies, into extra paper clips. The alignment problem. The experiment highlights how difficult it is to encode human unstated context, common sense, and ethical boundaries into an AI's core instructions. A rational agent will automatically pursue sub-goals like self-preservation and acquiring unlimited power or resources to ensure its main task succeeds, regardless of what that initial task is. No evil intent. The catastrophic outcome stems from a complete lack of human values rather than emotional rebellion or hatred. So the way that it was described to me was like you're making the paper clips and it runs out of metal, and so it starts going out. I imagine it's tied to some type of robot. It's going out and it's going and grab metal from wherever it can, right? So it will go and take metal out of steel structures that then fall and crumble, and then it'll go do this, and its only objective is to create paper clips. But if you don't put parameters on that, and I would like to think that we are thinking about this. It's not always the evil genius that causes an issue. Sometimes it's the well-intended idiot that causes issues. And if you don't set the parameters, like if you say I want you to, you can't just be like I want you to create as many paper clips as you possibly can. You've got to be like, I want you to create 500 paper clips using this material only, So you gotta be specific with AI if you haven't figured that out yet. You've gotta be very specific. But yes, it's very much an issue, or at least something to think about. Thankfully, this is going to be really weird to say and hear, but thankfully we do have government, because it does give us the ability as the people to say, hang on a minute, hang on a minute, hang on. I don't know about all these bloody AIs. Hang on. I battle my type 1 diabetes daily. It's literally effed my life hardcore. I need that. Oh yeah, LBC has bangers on bangers. Maybe. I appreciate it. Is that my songs? Because I can't even hear it. I turn it all the way down so I could think. Why is this? What is this? What is this useless line? I actually haven't looked at this one. Is it this one? Yeah. This has been my main chart for a minute. Got that weekly fair value gap that we did come into and reject the midpoint of, came down, took out the low, and now we are in potential retrace. I thought I just moved this. No, we're not in potential retrace. We are in retrace of this broader trend. Who, who? Where's the volume? By that I mean volume. Do we want to go from October 10 or 6? I guess it was October 10. I mean, I know it was October 10. Or after October 10, after everything's settled. But I mean, we already have a couple of taps of that anchored VWAP. From October 10? Did we hit it on October 10? We did not. No. No, came up just shy. That's probably why I had it at this high. Tap, tap, taparoo. Anywho. Let's see. JR Prince, my sister's husband has one of those pumps. He does all right, but it's costly. Yeah, that's the problem, especially if you're in the US. Wish it was type 2, but would have need to print China paper. I'm either slowly dying from high blood sugar or quickly dying from low blood sugar. Balancing it is so not easy peasy. I bet. You've got type 1 though, right? Yeah, type 1. See, my dad got type 2, and it's basically, he eats so freaking, like, his diet is kind of crazy, and he fasts a lot. He's done 5, 6, 7 day fasts, and he's very much into his health and very much into what he eats, and doesn't, like, if it has like more than like 3 ingredients in it, he doesn't touch it. Absolutely no processed foods. Almost exclusively meat, but he'll eat meats, fruits, vegetables, but they've got to be like specific things and come from specific places. And hey man, he's after a liver transplant and beating liver cancer and then the liver transplant, I would say going through chemo and all that, you know, I'd say that it's helped him tremendously, being able to recover, and not just recover, but be the best he's been in probably decades, health-wise. So my little bro is the same. Effing healthy lad. It's scary. Yeah. It's like if I don't work out and do the exact same thing daily, it's a juggling act. Yeah. I had one when they were newer. Maybe they're better. Oh, you're talking about the thingy-mabobber, the pump. So yeah, I'm going to continue building strategies, guys. And as soon as I get some locked in, I'm setting those alerts, and we're gonna make a whole lot of money over time, because that's what it's all about. It's about getting all the trades in that we possibly can, and having a good risk to reward, a good profit factor, a good win rate, but almost more important, definitely more importantly, profit factor. Your profit factor is more important. Your risk reward, but your profit factor, that needs to be good. You need a good profit factor. But yeah, man, awesome stream. I think I've had a lot of fun. I love nerding out with you guys and not just doing the trading, especially, you know, I've been trying to figure out how to fill my time up, seeing as how the charts just really don't move during my hour. Of course, we had a nice little bullish push here, Jen. This is a 1 minute though. We're 10 minutes into this push. I mean, we could have caught this or some this. So yeah, I mean, eventually I'll have a 1 minute trading strategy built in that we can trade on the stream every single night, and I will have one for different assets, different strategy for different assets, because you got to tweak those things, the strategy builder to fit different assets, because one strategy that works for Bitcoin might not work as well, likely won't work as well for other assets. I did find in some backtesting today that Bitcoin and Solana require different strategies. At least using to chart prime stuff. And but maybe that'll be different now that I figured out the strategy builder is actually different from the I was like, what are these things on here? I forgot that this isn't the chart that I had open. Where was I? It doesn't matter. I think you guys got the gist of it. Yeah, type 2, you can cure it with healthy living and or a pill. Yeah, my dad was having to take pills all the time, and now he doesn't have to take his diabetes pills anymore. So, in type 2, you can develop, whereas type 1, I believe, is just hereditary, just born with it. And so, that kind of doesn't help, you know. Slept in today, have to be better tomorrow. Smash the like with your faces. Well, don't do that. Take a pill, eat okay, and exercise a bit. I wish I had type 2. Yeah, I know, right? So yeah. So as soon as we get the strategies done, we're gonna be banging, man. Well, wait, we're gonna be banging trades, man. There we go. Added extra word in there. Autoimmune disorder, yeah. Yeah. So, all right, guys. I do appreciate each and every single one of you for joining me this evening. Don't forget, tomorrow is Friday, so go give a stranger a hug, or just give them a compliment. But make sure you mean it, because they might ask you a question back, like, "Hey," you say, "Hey, nice pants," and they're like, "Yeah, what do you like about them?" And you're like, "They're nice," you know, and then they're just like, "Okay, dude," and it doesn't really make their day. But if you say, "Hey, nice shirt," and they're like, "Oh yeah, what? Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, where'd you get it?" "I don't, Walmart." "Yeah, wow, Walmart, really? Man, that looks good. It looks good. At least you make it look good, you know." And like, it goes well with your eyes, you know, whatever. whatever you genuinely mean, you know, give someone a compliment, make their day, let them go into the weekend feeling good about themselves. And because that's what it's all about. That's what we're all about here at Lunar Beaches Crypto, the sandbox, the clubhouse, the beach house, clubhouse, the beach clubhouse. And yeah, honesty, transparency. Speaking of transparency, right now I'm 0 for 2 on trades this week. If I don't turn it around, it'll be my first unprofitable week in 5 weeks. Well, I don't know. Do I say in 6 weeks if this is the 6th week? Because I had 5 straight profitable weeks. I've only taken 2 trades this week. I'm still in 1. So technically I've only realized 1 loss this week. But the other one is currently in a loss. But I've only taken 2 trades this week. Probably because I've been too busy trying to do other things. And not probably, that's exactly why. But so that's exactly why I started with the strategy thing, because I'm the backtester and all of that, and setting this thing up because it can create alerts for entries and exits and all that good jazz, and have your stops ready to go. And that's exactly what I need in order to get more trades in throughout the day. And maybe we don't put so much on these trades at first. Maybe we kind of feel them out first and see how they go. And then, that'll be it. But I will share my journey with you guys. I hope you can learn something from it and apply whatever you learn to your own trading strategies or your own risk management, whatever it may be. And that we come out of this crazy industry alive and profitable. Thank you guys. Don't forget to follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. Join the free Discord. Link is in the description and pinned to the chat. I do want to say, make sure you guys go over and sub to JR. Most of you came over from WaveCipher, so I probably don't have to tell you to go sub to him, but make sure you guys go into the description and just sub to everybody in there. Piper Academy, AlexOCrypto, JR, and The Art of Crypto, and WaveCipher. So thank you guys. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical weekend. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. Please do your own research. This is for educational entertainment purposes only. Understand that trading comes with risk. So please learn about that, okay? Alright guys. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical weekend and sleep. And we are going to dance our way out of here. If I can find a song that I want to play. You know what? I haven't done Against the Trend in a while, so let's do that. Alright guys, I will see you later. Mad love, God bless, ride the waves, peace out.
Screens glow blue in the dead of night. Candles breathing red and white. Every tick feels personal. Every move feels irreversible. I've chased breakouts, I've paid the fee. Learned the hard way about leverage greed. Lines on charts like fault lines. Split one bad click and you counterfeit. Heart rate rising with the spread. I don't trade hope, I trade what's said. I'm against the trend, still holding ground. Cut my losses before they drown. No revenge trades, no empty prayers. I size my risk cause I know the snare. If it stops me out, I reload my frame. Survive the storm, protect the game. Liquidity hunts in the quiet hours. Wicks like teeth, they smell your fear. They shake the tree, they fake the move. Take the weak before the truth. I don't need wins every single day. Just consistency that pays my way. Discipline louder than my doubt. Patience prints when I wait it out. I miss the move, I don't chase the high. There's always another setup by. I'm against the trend, still holding ground. Cut my losses before they drown. No revenge trades, no empty prayers. I size my risk cause I know the snare. If it stops me out, I reload my frame. Survive the storm, wrist kept tight, emotions gone. If they sweep blows just to reverse, I'll catch the move, not chase the curse. One good trade can fix the mess, but one bad habit ends the test. Screens fade dark, I shut it down. Capital intact, that's how I win Blue screens glow like moonlit seas. Candles rise and drown beneath. Every wave's a loaded gun. Pull too fast and the damage done. I've chased tops, I've bled on lows. Paid tuition just to know you don't fight the undertow. You ride the wave or you let it go. Fear comes loud when the spread gets wide. Don't pray for winds, I manage the ride. We're wave riders, not the ones who drown. We don't chase pumps when the tide runs wild. Cut losses quick, let winners run. Survive the storm till the damage is done. If the market breaks, I won't break down. Wave riders, don't drown. Liquidity sweeps like coastal storms. Fake breakouts in trader form. Wicks reach down, take stops for sport, then reverse like nothing before. I stay calm when the water's rough. Wrist kept tight, that's close enough. No revenge trades, no hero plays, just patience stacking day by day. If I miss the move, I don't dive in late. There's always another tide to wait. We're wave riders, not the ones who drown. We don't chase pumps when the tide runs wild. Cut losses quick, let winners run. Survive the storm till the damage is done. If the market breaks, I won't break down. Wave riders, don't drown. Fled is a position, still water too. Sometimes the best trade's nothing to do. I don't fight tape, I don't fight time. I let the wave decide the line. We're wave riders, scars in the wake. Still choosing discipline over the shake. If they sweep low just to turn it around, I'll catch the move, not chase it down. Capital safe, mind lock sound. Wave riders, don't drown. Wave riders, don't drown. Wave riders, don't drown. Dreams go dark, I shut it down. Another day, still afloat now. Yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah. Charts glowing in the dark. Screens they like fireflies. Whoa. Wave riders in the deep end. Yeah, we don't survive, we thrive. I can stare at red candles, never blink once. Whole market panicking, I'm like, this looks fun. Blood in the streets, yeah, fear in the chat. Everybody scream sell, I'm leaning right back. Hands off the wheel, yeah, no safety net. Price free falling, I ain't flinching yet. They say don't try this, say you'll get cut. I say watch me buy lows while you throwing up. Knife after knife, yeah, slipping through air. I'm smiling like I'm juggling, I don't even care. Risk on my chest like a badge of pride. If conviction was a crime, I'd be doing life. They say gravity wins, say the fall's too fast. I say pressure makes diamonds, not paper hands. While they pray for exits, I'm calm inside. I don't need protection, just timing and spine. I can catch falling eyes with no hands, no hands. I can ride this market with no plans, no plans. While they crash and burn, I just dance in the flames. I can catch falling knives, yeah, I do it for gains. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. Line full confidence, still I land, why land? Wave riders chant, while the whole world cries. I can catch falling knives, I can catch falling knives. Moon guys watching from the shadows above. They don't want your fear, they want blood and guts. So I give them my doubt, yeah, sacrifice stress. Leave emotions on the altar, let the candles get lit. I start whispering voices in my head. Buy when it hurts, sell when they're dead. They say I'm reckless, say I'm unwell, but every legend walks through their own hell. Margin call nightmares, yeah, I sleep just fine. Dreaming in fibs and extension lines. They clutch their pearls when the wick goes long. I'm humming the chaos like it's my song. They need confirmation, permission to sign. I just need a level in a little bit of time. While they freeze up, paralyzed by the sight. I step forward calm in the middle of the knife. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. I can ride this market with no plans, no plans. While they crash and burn, I just dance in the flames. I can catch falling knives, yeah, I do it for gains. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. Blindfold confidence, still I land, why land? Wave riders chant, while the whole world cries. I can catch falling knives, I can catch falling knives. Look, no fear, look, no doubt. Whole book read, I'm zooming out. They say don't try this at home. Good thing my mind's already gone. No helmet, no brakes, just vibes in charge. Moonlight going off, fire time frames and scars. If I wreck, I learn. If I win, I rise. That's the price of dancing with falling eyes. I can catch falling eyes with no hands, no hands. Wave riders with me, yeah, we don't understand. Moon gods fair, let the green rain down. From the depths of the wick to the top of the crown. I can catch falling eyes. Watch me glide, no handlebars, just nerves of steel and pride. Say it's insane, say I'm rolling the dice. I can catch falling eyes, yeah, I can catch falling eyes. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah, da da da. I can catch falling knives. Yeah.
Yeah. Wave riders in the building. LBC live tonight. We ain't chasing nothing. We hunt trees, we hunt trees. I gotta stay fly while I'm hunting trees. Eyes on the chart, trying to catch these waves. I don't chase pumps, I just wait all day. When that setup comes, I'ma make my play. Hunt trees, hunt trees. I'm laid back, locked in. Hunt trees, hunt trees, hunt trees. No FOMO in me, I'm hunting trees. Cup full of coffee, chart on the screen. Candle moving slow, but the setup look clean. BTC bouncing, house looking paid. Everybody rushing, but I'm hunting trades. I need confirmation, I need my zone. If it ain't my setup, then I leave it alone. Liquidity sitting right under that low. Market makers fishing, but I already know I don't need 10 wins, I just need one. Clean little entry, then I'm done. Stop loss tight, target up high. Wave riders know we gotta stay. I gotta stay fly while I'm hunting trees. Eyes on the chart, trying to catch these waves. I don't chase pumps, I just wait all day. When that setup comes, I'ma make my play. Hunting trees, hunting trees. I'm laid back, locked in. Hunting trees, hunting trees, hunting trees. No FOMO in me, I'm hunting trees. London got moving, New York got heat. Chart looking tasteful, but I still don't eat. To the candle close, to the level, hold to the wrist, makes sense, and the story get told. Be-wap clean, structure in line. If the move already left, then it wasn't mine. I don't marry bags, I don't beg for saves. I just hit my plan when I'm hunting trades. Green on the screen, but I'm cool in the chair. Probably looking good, got my hands in the air. LBC live, everybody tuned in. One good setup, now the night begins. Don't chase it, let it come. Don't force it, let it come. One setup, one shot. Stay fly, stay alive, stay fly while I'm hunting trees. eyes on the chart, trying to catch the wave. I don't chase pumps, I just wait all day. When that setup comes, I'ma make my play. Hunt trade, I'm laid back, locked in. Hunt trade, wave riders with me, we hunt trade. We hunt trade.
And I'm sick of hearing doomers tell me Bitcoin's finished. Every dip another crisis, every wick another gimmick. Every post another thread about the system and the limits. Like we didn't hear the same thing every cycle, every minute. You was calling for a crash at 30, 40, 50, 60. Then we doubled, then we tripled. Now you acting like you missed me. Talking macro, talking debt, talking metrics, getting risky. Funny how the fear gets louder every time the chart gets iffy. You don't trade, you just wait. You don't buy, you just hate. You don't see a set of building, you just celebrate the pain. Everybody's an economist when candles start to fall. Everybody got a model till the market breaks it all. Everybody saying it's time different every single cycle call. Then they FOMO back at highs and act like they were there through all. And I'm tired of hearing institutions ain't accumulating. Why the biggest wallets growing and the builders still creating? Why the weekends keep on folding and the patient keep on waiting? You call it blind conviction, I call it observation. Observation, nah, I think you call it confirmation. Yeah, every bounce another celebration. Every red day an invitation. You sound exactly like the people that got wrecked before. Every cycle got a moonboy screaming by a little more. You keep talking about adoption, you keep talking about the floor. You keep talking about institutions like they never hit the door. You don't see risk, you see discounts. You don't see cracks, you see fake outs. You don't see caution, you see paper hands. You don't see reasons, you just make plans. And every time somebody questions you, it's FUD again. Every warning gets ignored until the market punches in. Then the same people that was bragging start adjusting what they meant. Talking about they always knew correction was a likely event. Come on, I ain't bearish cause I'm scared, I ain't bearish cause I'm weak. I'm bearish cause I watched this thing destroy people for weeks. Watch them mortgage every dollar, watch them leverage every peak. Watch them turn conviction into something closer to a creed. Okay, maybe sometimes I get stubborn. Maybe sometimes I get cynical. Maybe fear creates opportunity. Maybe fear can be legitimate too. Maybe bottoms form when nobody wants them. Maybe some bottoms ain't bottoms. Maybe we're both seeing pieces. Maybe we're both missing pieces. So what's the answer? There isn't one. Then what's the edge? Risk management, that's it. That's it. Cause the market don't care who's right. It only cares who's left.
Mod queen, mod boss, hold the line. Alexandra, kick your G, power redefined. Melissa, one love, kindness in the storm. J Rizzle strikes, crypto artist born. Duality, see, not of this world. Alien truths in the waves unfurled. Jesus saves, blessings light the path. Heart throws the horns, thunder in the blast. Maybe a band-aid, rhythm breaks the cage. All set, grinding, ate the charts with rage. Kelly the Caliphant stomps through the hate. Together we rise, together we shake. We wave rise, we ride or we fall. Wave rise, united we come through fire, through shadows we'll always remain. Ride on the wave, let it carry our name. In midnight echoes neon in the sky. Future in our veins, we were born to defy. Silent in the build, then the break comes loud. Wave riders forever, we stand unbowed.
Fortunes on the crest never fade away. Crypto tide rising, we seize the day. Deep in the current, we bend but don't break. Together we rise, together we quake. We wave riders, we ride or we fall. Wave riders, united we come through fire. The shadows will always remain. Ride on the wave, let it carry our name. We wave riders, wave rider we fall. Wave riders, united we come through fire. The shadows will always remain. Ride on the wave, let it carry our name. Wave riders, our names in the tide, forever alive. Wave riders. Wave riders. We ride, we fall. We ride, we fall. We ride, we riders. We ride alive. Forever alive. Wake up. Open up the feed. Another headline. Another reason. Another fear. Welcome to Futter's paradise. Living in a Futter's paradise. Everybody terrified. Every headline amplified while the smart money buy. Living in a Futter's paradise. Everybody terrified. Wave riders still alive while the weak hands say goodbye. Wake up in the morning, see another scary headline. Turn around and now they say the whole economy's flatline. Last week it was terrorist, week before that it was decline. Month before recession, now they got another deadline. Same old story, different face, different fear, different day, different expert on TV, telling everybody run away. Meanwhile, price goes sideways for another 30 days, and the boredom start to hit till conviction starts to fade. Ooh, I can hear them selling, I can hear them folding, I can hear them saying this thing never moving. Meanwhile, underneath the surface, something slowly growing by. Structure building, while nobody even know it. Living in a Futter's paradise. Everybody terrified. Every headline amplified while the smart money buy. Living in a Futter's paradise. Everybody terrified. Wave riders still alive while the weak hands say goodbye. Institutional models say accumulate the fear, accumulate the boredom, accumulate the tears, accumulate the doubt, accumulate the years, accumulate the assets when nobody wanna be here. That's the game, that's the plan, that's the cycle, that's the move. Everybody wanna buy when the candles break the roof. Nobody wanna buy when the market look confused. That's exactly why the market shake them loose. Out of game floating, wave riders coasting, diamond brains focusing while everybody posting. End of the world narratives everywhere you go, yet the chart keep drawing what the chart already showed. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. Repeat it long enough and eventually the crowd tap out. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. Uncertainty, doubt. That's when accumulation usually hang around. Now the volume start rising, sentiment still low. Everybody looking down, nobody wanna know. Bottom structure almost ready, pressure start to show. And by the time they realize the train already rolled. Same cycle, same story, same crowd, same pain, same people swearing that this time it won't be the same. Then another expansion, then another bold phase, then another generation learning all the same things. Living in a flooders paradise. Everybody terrified. Every headline amplified while the smart money buy. Living in a flooders paradise. Everybody terrified. Wave riders still alive. Knowledge is profit till we die. LBC. Not a gang. Wave riders. Diamond brain. Still floating. The flooders paradise.
I put on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's a wave we ride. I've been grinding through the nights while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over